Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're tackling a topic that many traveling moms face: breastfeeding on planes. Whether it's your first flight with your baby or you're a seasoned traveler, nursing at 30,000 feet can seem a bit overwhelming. In this video, I'll share expert tips to help you breastfeed comfortably and confidently while flying. From planning ahead to finding the right time to nurse, I've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more parenting and travel advice. Let's get started. Preparation is key to making breastfeeding on planes as smooth as possible. Book a window seat for more privacy and elbow room, or sit near the front for easier access to the restroom and more space. Include nursing covers, breast pads, a lightweight blanket, and a small nursing pillow in your carry-on. Wear nursing-friendly tops or dresses to make feeding easier during the flight. Moms, what's your go-to travel item for breastfeeding on the plane? Share your must-haves in the comments. One of the most important times to breastfeed on a flight is during takeoff and landing. Nursing during takeoff and landing helps reduce ear pressure for your baby, preventing discomfort. Keep your baby awake before boarding so they're ready to nurse as the plane ascends or descends. Babies can sense your stress, so take a deep breath, relax, and focus on feeding them. Have you nursed during takeoff or landing before? How did it go? Share your experience in the comments. Breastfeeding in the close quarters of an airplane cabin might feel awkward at first, but there are ways to stay comfortable. A breathable cover can help you feel more at ease while breastfeeding in public. Before your flight, practice using a cover or nursing in different positions to find what works best. If possible, use the airline's nursing room or a quiet section of the airport to nurse before boarding. What's your favorite tip for breastfeeding in public spaces like airplanes? Let's share advice in the comments. A happy baby means a smoother flight for everyone. Feed on demand. Airplane travel can be tiring for babies, so offer the breast whenever they seem fussy or hungry. Bring a bottle of water for yourself and sip regularly to keep your milk supply up. Pack your baby's favorite pacifier, blanket, or toy to help them feel secure during the flight. What's one item you never travel without for your baby? Share your must-have in the comments. If you're pumping instead of breastfeeding, here are some tips to make it work mid-flight. Use a battery-operated or manual pump for ease of use in tight spaces. Ask the flight attendants if there's a private space available, like the galley or a less crowded section of the plane. Use a cooler bag with ice packs to store expressed milk until you reach your destination. Pumping moms, what's your best tip for expressing milk on the go? Let's hear your advice in the comments. Flying with a breastfeeding baby doesn't have to be stressful. It's all about preparation, flexibility, and confidence. Whether you're nursing during takeoff, pumping mid-flight, or managing feedings in a busy cabin, these tips will help make your experience smoother. What's your top advice for breastfeeding or pumping on a plane? Let's share tips and build a community of support in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting and travel tips. Check out my other videos for insights into making motherhood and travel more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels and happy feeding.